Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop.
Good morning, guys. It's Candy here with Crazy It's Life, and I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. Although it's already unboxed, my bundle's already a mess. I just pulled it out today. It's been sitting here for a while, as all of my boxes tend to do. So we're just going to kind of go real quickly through the clothing and the prices, and then I'll do a quick try on for you. So the first thing we have is a pair of denim shorts by Silver. These are the Sam Short Boyfriend Distressed Jean Shorts, and the cost is $59. And although I really like Silver jeans, I do not usually like boyfriend style jeans. So we'll see. And it is mid-rise, which is okay. They feel kind of bulky, and I'm not sure that I need shorts, but I will try these on and we'll see. The next thing is a velvet. It's Velvet is the brand, by Graham and Spencer, Andy V-neck. And this top, I have no idea. It's an $88 top. It is a navy, and I mean, yeah, it may be really good quality. It's super, super soft, super comfy, just a navy V-neck, but $88 would be a very big stretch for me. So it does have kind of an opening in the sleeves and a little, like, I don't know, I guess ruching maybe up along here. So we'll see. But $88 for, you know, by the looks of it, just kind of a t-shirt. It is super soft, and I'm sure it's super comfy and great quality, but I go through my clothes way too fast to pay $88 for a t-shirt. But LUQ re-tie front top in navy. It is $38. So navy floral. I'm not sure I'm gonna like the sleeves, but we'll see. You never can tell until you have it on. All right, and then next we have the Papinel Brook Sleep and Lounge Shelf Bra. Oh, okay, with a shelf bra, Sleep and Lounge. So this is $32. It's a tank top in black, but it sounds like it's sleepwear. It doesn't say sleepwear on here. It just says Brook Ribbed Shelf Bra Tank. But on the receipt it says Sleep and Lounge, and it is just a black tank top with the shelf bra. It is tight fitting, I mean form fitting, super comfy, soft, great quality. But again, it's a tank top for $38, so we'll see. So we have one more item left. It's a Daniel Rain, which is always usually pretty pricey. I do a lot of times like his tops. I do not always keep them because they are pricey. I think I have only one in my closet, and Stitch Fix sends them quite often. So this is a Genia lace detail top in light blue. It is $64 retail. I can't see this neckline. I'm not sure I will like this style of top or not. It's kind of hit or miss, so we will check it out. But that's it for the items, and I will go ahead and be right back with the try on. Okay guys, I am back with the first outfit, and I'm gonna go ahead just the way I went through them in the beginning, straight down the list. So I have two items on right now. I have the Sam Short Boyfriend Distressed Jeans along with the Velvet by Graham and Spencer V-neck top. Shorts retail for $59, and the top retails for $88. And my phone is dying, so I'm not sure how this video is going to go. I don't know if it keeps recording me every time it says low battery, or it's gonna keep going. So I may have to stop and take a break and charge my phone. Anyways, let me show you this outfit really quickly. And again, you can see the top. I mean, it's a super cute, super soft, comfy top. It has these little kind of decorative detail on the side. I don't know if you can see this ruching here, but there is kind of some decorative details right here. Also, the rest of it is, I mean, it's basically a t-shirt. So there is the top, but again, it's $88, and I feel like that is a very big stretch for me for any top. I mean, I don't know that I pay $88 for dresses. It's just not me. So I'm gonna go ahead and step up here and show you the shorts real quick instead of trying to hop up there. Okay, here are the silver boyfriend distressed shorts, and honestly, they're not quite as bad as I thought they would be, being boyfriend style. And they're super comfy. The whole outfit is so comfy, and if it was cheaper, you know, I think that I probably would like it, but you know, unless with the discount, it's a great deal and I love everything, that is the only way that I would be keeping an $88 top. So anyways, you guys go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think of the price of this top, whether you like this outfit or whether you didn't. And I'm going to go ahead and change into the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back with the LUQ retie front top in navy. Retails for $38, and I'm just gonna step back and show you this here for a second. I'll show you kind of the flowers real quick. This pattern is on the whole top, and it is a V-neck, just tie front. The sleeves a little bit flowy, probably a more flowy than I would like. I'm not sure, and I'm also not sure about the material, the fabric, whether I like the feel of that or not, but all in all, it's okay. You guys let me know what you think, and I'm back with the next top. All right, I have the Papinel Brooks Sleep and Lounge Shelf Bra in black. It retails for $32. Again, it is just a tank, a ribbed tank, form-fitting, super comfortable. Has the shelf bra built in, and it's really just a basic piece, but it's great quality, and I feel like it would last a lot longer than my little $5 ones I get at Target. So yeah, I guess that's it. There's not a whole lot to say about it, but it is very well made. So I'm going to go on with the last shirt, which is the Daniel Rain top, and I'll be right back. All right guys, this is the last top. It is the Daniel Rain Genia lace detail top in light blue, and it retails for $64. And I am completely on the fence about this top. I don't necessarily love the style of it, but I'm also not quite sure. So you know, it has the buttons up. You cannot unbutton those. They are there. Oh, sorry, that's my necklace. And then this lace detail, and the floral, just a floral print throughout. And it is a blousier style top. And I will go back here and let you take a look. And then let me know what you guys think. That's really all I have. I'm gonna go quickly over the prices of the entire box. So the total of all 5 items, there's always 5 items in the Stitch Fix box unless you add something onto it, which you can do. You can also preview these items. I never do. I just don't take the time to do it. I probably should. So the total price of this box is $281. And the discount is $70 if you were to buy all 5 items, which puts it at $210.75. You guys let me know what your favorite items were down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.